With its combination of extremely agile handling, M-typical performance, and compact dimensions, the BMW M2 embodies unadulterated driving pleasure in its ultimate expression. The new BMW M2 with M xDrive sees BMW M GmbH expand in the breadth of the M2 model lineup. Here, the all-wheel drive system M xDrive will be available for the compact high-performance sports car for the first time. M xDrive splits the power developed by the 480 horsepower 6-cylinder inline engine with BMW M TwinPower Turbo technology between the front and rear axles according to the situation at hand. Also in play is the Active M Differential, which distributes drive fully variably between the rear wheels as required, maximizing traction and delivering the driving dynamics normally associated with a rear-wheel drive model. These enhanced traction levels increase the car's agility, dynamism, and directional stability once again, and further improve its acceleration figures. The new BMW M2 with M xDrive, therefore, offers drivers the inimitable M feeling through all 4 seasons of the year, in almost any road conditions and in all weathers, without any trade-off in performance. The car showcases its optimized traction, which is also the product of specially developed chassis tuning, with sublime assurance in fluctuating grip conditions such as ice and snow, as well as on the track. The 3.0-liter straight-six engine powering the new M2 with M xDrive uses BMW M Ignite technology, a new pre-chamber combustion process patented by BMW. This innovation is an example of the successful transfer of technology from racing cars to production models, and will be introduced into all straight-six engines from BMW M as of mid-2026. The pre-chamber combustion process significantly reduces fuel consumption under high loads. At the same time, this new engine technology helps to meet the requirements of the Euro 7 standard. As before, the engine in the BMW M2 with M xDrive offers the performance characteristics for which M models are renowned, such as instantaneous response and linear power development into the higher reaches of the rev range. And this spirited power delivery is accompanied by an emotionally stirring soundtrack. The lower fuel consumption under high loads brought about by BMW M Ignite technology will be particularly appreciated by customers who like to use their car on track days, allowing them to keep lapping for longer with the same amount of fuel. The BMW M2 with M xDrive is fitted as standard with an M-Steptronic transmission with DDriving, which ensures the engine's power is harnessed to maximum dynamic effect. The combination of the M xDrive all-wheel drive system and Active M Differential gives the new M2 with M xDrive further improved sprinting power. Indeed, it accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.7 seconds, 0.3 seconds faster than its sister model with pure rear-wheel drive. The BMW M2 with M xDrive reaches the 200 km per hour mark from rest in 12.8 seconds. The sprint from 80 to 120 km per hour is covered in 3.7 seconds. The The M2 with M xDrive has a limited top speed of 250 km per hour, rising to 285 km per hour if the optional M drivers package is specified. Standard fit M light alloy wheels, 19-inch at the front axle, 20-inch at the rear, transfer the power onto the road surface. Track tires can be specified as an option. Optimum stopping power on road and track is provided by M compound brakes, with 6-piston fixed calipers at the front and single-piston calipers at the rear. The M xDrive all-wheel drive system employs an electronically controlled multi-plate clutch in the transfer case to ensure fully variable and super smooth division of the engine's power between the front and rear wheels of the new M2 with M xDrive. The system's rear-wheel bias fits the familiar M blueprint. In normal driving, power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels. Only when they cannot feed any more power to the road does the all-wheel drive system bring the front wheels into play. M xDrive links up with the Active M Differential, including M-specific traction control and dynamic stability control. Together, they adapt the car's responses precisely to the situation, in order to deliver a driving experience of unsurpassed dynamism, with a noticeable increase in directional stability and traction. The transfer case features a model-specific control unit and integrated wheel slip limitation. This allows it to compensate for any differences in rotational speed between the front and rear wheels. It can do this without having to involve the central dynamic stability control management, which makes the process extremely quick and further intensifies the M-typical sense of unshakable poise in highly dynamic driving situations. The M xDrive system's responses can be configured via the M setup menu. This means the driver can adapt the characteristics and performance attributes of the all-wheel drive system to both the driving situation at hand and their personal preferences. One of the options the driver can select is two-wheel drive mode, with dynamic stability control deactivated, whereby torque is sent to the rear wheels only. This unlocks a driving experience of remarkable purity. The selection of exterior colors customers can choose from includes 5 metallic and 3 solid variants, plus 6 options from the BMW individual range. The BMW individual Borusan Turkish Blue Special Paint Finish will be available for AM2 for the first time, accentuating the visually expressive exterior design of the BMW M2 with M xDrive to particularly striking effect. The new M2 with M xDrive, like the other M2 models, will be built at BMW Group Plant San Luis Potosi in Mexico. Production will begin in August 2026. The market launch of the BMW M2 with M xDrive will begin in late summer 2026.